Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite Lido Finance Rewards update. So, as the price of Bitcoin has been going up, the price of Ethereum has been going up. Let's look at it quickly. Right now, Ethereum is at $4,183.94. Bitcoin at 64,509. As Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up. Love it, because what that does is it brings my stake to being worth more. So my 6.1061 ST ETH is worth more now. I'm still getting my 4.9% APR, goes up and down. And I'm going to show you my actual rewards. If I go to the history, my updated rewards. So you can see my ST ETH is worth now $25,886. And I have been earning just around $3 mark every day, and the percentage APR's kind of been between 4.6 and 5%, and I am happy. I'm not complaining. It's not bad. We're here for the long term and we haven't got nothing to complain about. Okay, now my staked ETH is 25,886. okay, and that, if I go to my Lido calculator, is around $106.04. Let me make sure that was the correct amount. 6.10 61033 61033 1033. So yeah, $106.04 a month. Okay, this is going to continue going up as the price of Ethereum goes up. And because I do believe that the price of Ethereum is going to go up by a long way, I am very happy with that. So, for example, say Ethereum goes to, I don't know, 3 times this, 4x, maybe there's 4x, okay? And say it goes to 16K, yeah? 16K from here, $16,000 for one Ethereum, okay? I'm gonna make this times 4, so about just over $400. Okay, over $400 a month I'll be making just on staking rewards. Okay, and that's gonna be great, because that $400 that's coming into my stake, okay, I'm not touching it. I'm going to let it continue to compound, and continue to compound it will. So I'm going to have much more ST ETH in the balance, which are going to be then also, I'm going to make that 4.9 or 5% on whichever ST ETH is here compounded. I'm compounding around $3 a day on my ST ETH balance. Compounding. If you don't know what compounding is, you need to know what compounding is. So I'm going to give you a quick explanation of it. Use Google. You can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. Compound interest. See this? Compound interest. Let's do a quick definition of it in Investopedia so that you understand what compound is and why I'm using Lido Finance to compound. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and accumulated interest. Okay, initial principal 6.106133, whichever, and accumulated interest 4.9% APR. Okay, every time this 4.9% is added, every day it's added up. You know, this is yearly, but every day I'm getting compound interest. It is adding more to my staked amount, and I'm able to then compound even more, because the more I have, the more I compound on this amount. This average 4.8 is on this ST ETH amount, and as I keep on getting more and more and more, it's still going to add to here, and it's going to keep compounding. So let's go back to the definition quickly. Okay, so compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and accumulated interest from previous periods. Okay, thought to have originated in the 17th century Italy, compound interest can be thought of as interest on interest and will make a sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount. The rate at which compound interest accrues depends on the frequency of compounding. Okay, so with us, our compounding is every single day. Such that the higher the number of compounding periods, the greater the compound interest. Thus, the amount of compound interest accrued on $100 compounded at 10% annually will be lower than that on $100 compounded at 5% semi-annually over the same time period. The great thing about Lido and why I am staking my Ethereum here is that Lido is taking most of the risk. Okay, what they're doing is they're staking across a number of validators, not just one. So we're more protected because it's more decentralized. Okay, it's, to me, much better than trying to do it with an exchange. Also here we can see all of our rewards. I love it. Every day we see our rewards here compound. You see, we are compounding this amount. Look at this, all compounding. 7 pages worth of compounding. Look at this, compounding. Keep compounding. Keep compounding, 7 pages worth. And we compound every single day. So what do you think is going to happen when we hit, if we hit 42,000 or 20,000 Ethereum price? We're going to have more to compound every day. And when we have more to compound, we're going to make more. So for example, say I had 20 ETH. Say I had 20 ETH. 20 Ethereum is going to make me $347 a month. Compounding this every single day, I'm going to make around $32, $33 a day. Okay, something like that. And every day I'm going to have more Ethereum. Every day I'm going to be compounding more Ethereum onto my balance. Every day, $30 added, and it's going to consistently be compounding, and it's going to go over and over and over. This is the way to build wealth, by compound interest. Okay, and I don't care how much you compound, even if it's a little bit. Some people will only be able to come in here and put in a little bit of Ethereum. Okay, they may only be able to put 1 Ethereum in here to compound, and it's fine. It's fine, because you always have to start somewhere. I only put 6 Ethereum because I wanted to really work this system and make videos to show you exactly what I'm doing with Lido. Okay, because a lot of people prefer to see somebody doing it than actually talk about it. So here I am doing it so that you can see. Okay, if you're somebody that hasn't got started with this, and you want to check it out, you want to start staking Ethereum, just go to my Rolodex, which I'm going to show you now. This is, come up for that. Oh, come up for that. It's normal HTTP. So if you see my Rolodex, if we go to wbelite.com, make sure it's HTTP, not HTTPS, because you might just get a wrong thing. So go to wb-elite.com. I'll also leave the link directly to it as well. But if you want to see my Rolodex, you can come here, just scroll down, click on this one here, Ethereum 2.0 liquid staking with Lido. Then once you come here, watch this video. This video showcases me actually staking my Ethereum here. Okay, you will see me staking it, when I staked it, how I did it, how long it took, and everything, all here. And if you want to grab yourself a Nano Ledger, you can do, leave the link there as well, and also the link to Ledger Live, so that you can download Ledger Live. This is where I am actually showing you this here, Ledger Live. But you need to have a hardware wallet to get it. Okay, but then you download Ledger Live from here. You can get it on your phone, you can get it on your computer. Okay. So yes, this definitely is a powerhouse and a great way to build your Ethereum. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them, and I will catch you in the next Lido Finance history rewards update. Take care.